What's up, guys? It's Rob with Project XJ99, and I'm back again today with another tip that I thought was pretty cool. So stick around and check it out. So a lot of people that get into the XJ with me have a hard time opening the door from the outside. Everyone knows the XJ has a push button doorknob. Sometimes it takes a lot of pressure to get that door open. So I did some research this morning. After dropping my son off at school and the teacher couldn't open the door to let him out at the drop-off line. So immediately as soon as I got home, I did some research and asked the question on the infamous Facebook group, and we came up with a solution almost immediately. I was excited to figure it out, and I was excited to pass on the knowledge to you guys. So let's get to it. So this one won't open at all. Reach around inside, pop it open, and we'll fix it right away. 2 seconds. So you have this slot here. If you can see inside of there, there is a bolt that you can slide back and forth. So you want to loosen that up, slide it forward towards the outside of the door, all the way. Tighten it back up while you're holding it down. There you go, and do that for all your doors. The front door, same here. Takes you 2 minutes and a 5/32 Allen, and you're good. So that's it, guys. It's as easy as that. I adjusted all 4 of my doors in a matter of 2 minutes. It makes me happy. Little things like that make me happy. Little things like that are free make me happy with the XJ. So if this video helped you out, leave it in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.